Okay, how to do Pear Deck. Take two. We're going to talk about takeaways. So after everyone has finished, it needs to be everyone has finished the Pear Deck that I've assigned to you. And I've closed it down and said, okay, everybody's done, or at least the people who are going to do it are done. Then there will be something for you called a takeaway. And so you're going to open that up and then you're going to download your takeaway. This is basically feedback. It's kind of seeing how you did. You probably won't have to go that far, but anyway, it will open up for you. So I kind of wrote this to myself since I took the test and I'm the teacher. So when I give you feedback on these, there's two ways I'll do it. One will be that I'll write on your takeaway, this paper, this whole thing is called a takeaway. I'll write in red so it really stands out, or I'll leave you a comment off here to the side. Okay? So I might just say hi or something like that. You do need to do the summary whether you did great on the Pear Deck or not. So use this space to summarize your thoughts. Let's see. I enjoyed talking about peaches, poaches. I'm very tired. Peaches and cookies. Okay. Normally, I'd want you to give some kind of a summary. I thought it was hard when this happened. I thought dragging the dot was easy and circling was hard. Then I learned something like that. Okay. So you're going to tell me what was easy, what was hard, what was the basic part of the lesson that you learned that you didn't know before, something like that. Okay. And then it just kind of takes you through the slideshow. Takes you through all the slideshow. So if you don't see my red writing or a comment, you can just kind of keep going. Aha, there's a comment. Did you actually touch your toes? And then if I ask you a question, you're going to come over here and answer it. No, I was too tired. Tired? I'm not tired. I'm too tired. Okay, there we go. So I answered the question. Okay, I don't want you to hit resolve. I will hit resolve when I see that you've answered my question. Okay, all right, let's keep going. No red ink and no comments. Oh, there we go. Please tell me more. Were they good? I worked a lot and made coconut cookies. Let's see. What can I say about my cookies? Yes, they were delicious. They were vegan and sugar free. Okay. Again, don't mark resolve. I'll mark resolve when I see that you've answered the questions. Okay. Why do you like peaches? Um, they are tangy and sweet. Okay. Keep going. I don't see any red ink and I don't see any comments, so I'm good. Yes, you're a teacher, not a student. That's not really a question. There's nothing I have to do to answer it. I can talk back and have a conversation if I wish, but I don't need to because it wasn't a question. Can you try again? Oh, gosh darn it. Okay, so 12 is not the answer to 7 plus 8. All right. So if you need to redo a math problem, I would like you to give me as much information as you can. I don't want you to just write a number. So try to rewrite. So I'm going to say 7 plus 8 equals 15. Now, what was I thinking? I was not thinking straight. Okay. If you know what your mistake was and you can do some error analysis, please do it. You guys are so good at figuring out what kind of mistakes you made. That's why you're becoming great mathematicians. Okay, so I think that is all of the comments that I left myself. So once you've done this, You can't share it because you actually don't own it. I do. But once you've made the changes, it will be clear to me that you've done it. Now, again, I want you to go back to classwork and I want you to, up here on your version, it will say turn in or I'm done or something. I want you to click that. And then it will say, wait, you didn't attach anything. And you say, that's okay, right? So I'm still done. Just tell it, yes, I'm done. And that tells me that I can go back and look at your takeaway. Okay. So it's kind of a two-step process when we do Pear Deck. The first thing is you'll go through the presentation and you'll answer the questions. And the second part is you'll get some feedback and you'll need to turn that back into me as well. Okay. All right. So we're going to add this into what we do in math. Hopefully it'll just kind of be a nice, kind of a different activity for you so you don't get bored. All right, guys.